Hi guys, today's video is going to be really interesting. Yeah, you know why? Because I want to make this makeup tutorial thing. I mean, it's not gonna be tutorial, it's gonna be me trying new thing and filming this. I don't know why. It's gonna be really fucking cool, like really fucking cool, like really cool, like really yeah, like this. This is going to be like, what am I gonna... Okay. Okay, what the fuck? I just realized that it was a wrong fucking color. I have been putting on the wrong fucking color. Like, what the fuck? This is fucking violet, right? Violet. And this is fucking... What is this? Okay, it's fine. We're gonna blend it. It's gonna be fine. Oh my god, it's so bad. Oh my god. It's really so bad. But, you know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna just, you know. Okay, then we're going to take like violet color. And I want to scratch it like this. Okay, this is what we're going with. And you're gonna ask, hey, like, what the fuck, Layla? Like, can there be anything like, can we do something with this? I mean, yes. I don't know. Okay, we're good. I mean, we're not good. It's like really bad. Okay, I want to like skip this. Into the part when I already like fixed everything and it looks more or less like better, so okay, as you can see, it's kind of better, like a little bit. Yes, fuck yeah. Okay, now we're gonna brush them so they will look wet. Cool. This is really fucking cool. Like, holy shit, kind of cool. Okay. Do you know what I just realized? I haven't put a fucking powder on. Like, what the fuck? So. Then, what are we gonna do? I want to put eyelashes on. Mascara. Okay, we have this, but what do we, like, we missed something. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna add the same pink / violet color on my cheek, on my nose, on my lips, so. Okay, next up I want to make my nose look smaller because okay, honestly, this is like the hardest part every time. Contouring my nose is like the most hardest part because I don't know how to do that. And I don't think that's the way, I don't think that's the color I should contour my nose with, but I don't think this is how you do that. What the fuck? Okay. No. Okay, just keep going, okay, you know? Even if you made it, even if you fucked up, just keep going. Even if you're making it worse, just keep going. Okay, we're gonna take Beauty Blender because it's just a miracle thing. It just helps you in every situation. Oh my god, yes, it did. And then we're done. And then it's like really cool. I love it, even though it's not that. Oh my god. Okay, I still love it. It's like, you know, my nose contouring is like an ugly baby. It's like really ugly, but I love it. You know, it's weird is that most of the people, they don't like going somewhere when it's raining. But me, I just love going to places when it's raining. You know why? Because most of the people, they don't understand that whenever it's raining and you have like this shitty mood, if you stay at home, it will make you feel even worse. so you should go out. Like the rainy weather is like the perfect weather to go out, because like for a new place, for I don't know, for a lunch with somebody to meet. Oh my god. So okay, and then the last thing would be a highlighter. Okay, I look like a fucking Bratz doll. Like what the fuck. Like my whole life I've been fighting with this misconception people have about pretty girls, that they're not that smart. And right now, and like at my school I was like the best. I was smarter than so many, like smarter than every boy in the school. But right now I look like I'm not that smart, you know? And I hate that misconception, but at the same time, who cares? I don't care, right? Because I want to add freckles here. Okay, so this is the final look. Honestly, it looks nothing like the picture. It's like totally different thing, but okay, that was it for today, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. It looks so good. It looks like, oh my god, it looks so good. Let me show this to Larry, because, you know, I don't have anyone to show it to, so. Hey. Come here. Do you like it? Do you like it? So that was it, and oh my god, would you just calm down? Yes. So I mean, I know I look so great, just calm down. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.